has me questioning my reactions all the time. Some mental health conditions do have a very strong genetic component. Things like bipolar disorder, schizophrenia, autism, even ADHD. In fact, in ADHD cases, sometimes 25 to 50% of the time, a parent has ADHD. But genetics are not the only part of the picture. Your environment plays a huge role in whether your genes are expressed. So you could have a gene or several genes that contribute to you showing a mental health issue. And if they're not turned on, then you're not going to express that. That's called epigenetics. It means there's something else that turns on this genetic code, that unlocks it. At Metal Guru Girl is asking, how many of us take a form of antidepressant medication? Well, the CDC data is actually from 2015 to 2018. They said that during that time frame, about 13.2% of the population took an antidepressant. However, that was before the pandemic. The American Academy of Pediatrics said in their journal that from 2020 on, there was a 64% increase in prescriptions to children and teens alone in terms of antidepressants. So it's certainly more than 13.2% of the population now. At Sours Kitzlers asks, does ketamine therapy work? Asking for a friend. Yes, there's a lot of data on ketamine working for depression. However, it's really important then to know that ketamine therapy is not recreational ketamine. There's an amount that you take either by an intravenous infusion. There's also a spray, S-ketamine. What ketamine does is it blocks the place where glutamate, the excitatory neurotransmitter, binds. By blocking that, the glutamate can increase. It allows us to actually feel better, but it only lasts for 2 or 3 days. The drug rapamycin is being looked at. It's being given with ketamine, and what that does is it's actually preventing glial cells in the brain, which chew up neurons, from chewing up neurons, and the length of ketamine is lasting longer, so there's promise here. That's being investigated at Yale, and we need to still see more results and more data. At Ruby Begonia 3 is curious,